Guys, good to see you all again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be addressing some comments I've been getting from my previous videos. I've been reviewing most products I used on my skin and they were working so fine, they were very effective, and then I made honest review. Yeah, some persons do comment. In fact, they asked me in person why did I have been using this certain product you're making review of, still yet I've got nothing from it. So this might be the reasons why. Okay, in this video I'll be giving you hygienic tips on how you could keep yourself and then make your expensive products you bought, and most times effective products you bought, make them effective on you so that you'll be able to see results. You get, maybe you've been using the product wrongly, or you've not been taking hygienic care on yourself. Maybe that's why you've been getting those awful results. So let's get right into the video. Yeah, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, I beg of you. Please, I need it. Okay, let's push it to 200 for us to start with. At least before this week runs out, let's get to 200. We are capable, and we need to reach 1000 before this day runs out. So please engage with the content, subscribe to my channel, comment nicely, leave me kind comments, like, share, tell your friends about my channel. Even you can as well tell your enemies. Yeah, so these are the hygienic tips I'll be sharing with you. These are what I use, and I've been seeing drastic effects on me, positive changes, positive results. So let's get right into it. Number one, be cautious of where you lay down. Okay, be very cautious of where you lay down. If you're having your personal room, very fine, very good. Be cautious of where you lay down. Be cautious of your bedspread, your pillowcase. Okay, your bed, be very cautious. Okay, do not share. Those are your personal belongings. Do not share. In fact, even if you go to visit someone, before you lay on their bed, be cautious. Make sure the bedspread is neat. Make sure the pillowcase is neat. Okay, yes. Next, always wash up at least twice a day. Yeah, always wash up at least twice a day. This is a personal hygiene. Even right from basic school, they've been saying it, they've been teaching us. So always wash up twice a day. Twice a day. Always wash up twice a day. Okay, let's say if you are so lazy, maybe you're back from work and you're so lazy you can't even go have a shower or take your bath. Sis, girl, please wash up your face. Okay, try and wash up your face. Me, at times when I'm back, I might be dead as tired. I might not even having the vibe to wash up, bathe and all of those. It's a must. I must wash my face. If I don't wash my face, I won't be feeling myself. In fact, I'll be very uncomfortable all through the night. So try to wash up your face. No matter how lazy you are, make it a mandatory, make it a tradition that you must wash up your face. Wash up your face with your products. If you are using the simple products, fine. Always wash your face before you go to bed. If you did not bathe, fine, but wash up your face. If I should not wash up my face and go to bed, girl, I'll be feeling so greasy on my face. I won't be able to sleep. The next, have a specific towel for your face. Okay, you should have a specific towel, a special towel for your face. Do not use your body towel on your face, or wrong. That is not a girl's code. Okay, you should have a specific towel for your face. Do not damp your face with your body towel. That is not hygienic. Okay, always have a special towel. I'll be putting a video or picture rather of my face towel. You should just get that for your face, and you can as well wash them up and steam as well. You could steam the towels. yeah, to actually kill off bacteria on them. The next, avoid touching or picking on your face. Some persons, any small thing, they lay their hand on their face. They allow random people to touch their face. I don't play with my face because I know what I've passed through with this face. So I tell people, don't touch even my skin. Touching me, you get. And I know I'm not all that close. I don't like it. Not talk of my face. Please don't go there. Please. So do not touch or pick on your face. Sometimes you notice acne, feeling, oh, this is already, I just need to press it like to just pop out. Don't do that. Okay, it's gonna dry by itself. If you should do that, you end up transferring. If it's a whitish something that comes out somehow a bit solid, it can spread to other part of your skin, and then from prone your skin that part to pimple development. Or if there's a fluid that comes out, it might drop to another part of your skin, prone to pimple development, acne development. So don't pick or touch on your face, okay? And your hands, they get in contact with bacteria easily, your palms, your hands. So while applying that on your damn face, don't do that, okay? Yeah, never break an acne. Do not break a pimple, okay? It's gonna dry up by itself. Do not break a pimple. Don't do that, okay? Okay? Yeah. So the next, if you must wash your face without bathing, please wash up your hands, okay? If you must wash up your face without bathing, wash up your hands first. Wash up your hands first, because if you don't dive into the bathroom and then start washing your face without washing your hands, you end up spreading bacteria on your hands to your face. So how then do you want the expensive products you're using to be effective or to work the way you want? So let's be cautious of the way we treat our face, okay? And lastly, change your pillowcase, change your bedspread twice or thrice a week, okay? Change your bedspread twice or thrice a week, okay? Do not use a bedspread or a pillowcase straight up 1 week. It's not giving. Big girly, the needs girl, okay? These are the little hygienic tip I can think of now. If I get to remember anyone, I'll be leaving that in the comment section, okay? Please, let's engage with this video. I need to be like consistent now, because I know I've not been so consistent previous months. So now you get to see me live and direct, always here. Thanks for watching. Bye. I love you. This the can I be the go right